Welcome to today's CapCut tutorial, where I'll show you how to add cinematic black bars to your videos, giving them that movie-like feel. Cinematic black bars, also known as letterboxing, create a widescreen effect that enhances the visual presentation on different screens. Let's get started right away. First, open your web browser on your device and go to google.com. I'm using Safari on my iPhone, but you can use any browser you prefer. In Google, search for Black Bars PNG in the Images section. Look for an image that has small squares over it, indicating it's transparent. This transparency is crucial for overlaying it onto your video seamlessly. I've already selected a suitable image. You can find a download link for this specific black bars image in the video description below. Save the image to your gallery once you've found it. Next, open CapCut and import your video. To add the cinematic black bars, tap on the Overlay button, then select Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery. Choose the black bars image you downloaded earlier. Adjust the black bars overlay to fit the frame perfectly by zooming in slightly if needed. Align the top and bottom bars to ensure they cover the entire video where you want the cinematic effect. For my video, I'll apply the black bars throughout to maintain a consistent cinematic look. And there you have it. You've successfully added cinematic black bars to your video in CapCut. It's that simple to give your videos a professional, movie-like appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.